Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how this design was realized. I'll show you how to create the background, how to do a professional editing on the final flyer. I'm going to show you how I placed the various shapes and the various text. So the first thing I would like you to do is to hit on that subscribe button. Please, if you are watching this video, you have not yet subscribed on my YouTube channel, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button. Yeah, also like this video and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video on my channel. I also like you to share this video. So right, we will dive into this design. So the first thing you want to ensure here is that the size of this flyer is 1280 by 1280. You must always take note of that. And secondly, I will be importing the background I'll use for the design. So this is what I'll be using as background. Yeah, originally you see that this is yellow, right? So I want to change this to blue. What I will do, I will come to my color filter tool. I regulate this hue option. So I'll make sure I put it at negative 180. You see that I put a negative 180, I put a positive 180. Yeah. So but I will come now to this my background tool. I want to put a background color. I'll come to this my background tool and click it. Then go to color. Then I'll be putting a gradient color of blue. Yeah. I'm sure by now you must have known how to create gradient colors. If you don't know how to create gradient colors, just go back. I think I have a video on how to do that. Check it on my channel. So I will enlarge this background to cover the entire surface of the screen. So in order for it to cover a proportionate portion of the screen, I will come to my relative position tool. I click this first, and later on I click this. Okay, so I'll click this and I click this. So I think it has covered the entire portion of the screen. I'll come right away and close this. Remember, we are using this as a template for the design. So next thing I'll be doing here, I'll click on this background. I will reduce the opacity. Let me leave the opacity at 60. Alright, so right away I will go on now and import a blur image. So this is what I'll be using. So I'll enlarge this. So it covers the entire portion of the screen. Let me reduce the opacity to some value. Alright. But before that, let me see, then enlarge again. Alright, so this is what I'll be using. Yeah, so if you're watching up to this moment, you have not yet subscribed, please hit on that subscribe button. Like this video and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Alright, so right away, let me proceed. So what's next? Then we have to put in the let me bring in the image first. The image of the lady. Okay, so this is the image of the lady. Always remember that good image is good design. Yeah, how good your image is will reflect how nice and compelling your design will be. So it's always good to use good images, not images which are blurry, you know. Yeah, so you want to learn how to download high definition images, you can just go back. I've made a video on how to download resources for design. So click OK. I'll place the lady here. Let me increase the lady a bit. Alright, I'll place her here. So I'll come now here, I'll rotate. Make sure it's facing towards the right. Alright, so let me close this. I want to blend that image to the background. What I will do is I'll come to my shape tool and I choose a gradient shape. So I'll take this. I also have a video on how to create gradient shapes. You can just check it out. Okay, let me place here. Alright. So right now that I want to create that base, like that white base there, that white footnote. So what I'll be doing is go to my shape, bring out the color, and for the radius, I'll put the radius at 10. So I'll put this here. Alright. Let me send it down a bit. Now I'll copy this and I also place here. Yes, always use your ruler tool in order to make sure they were aligned. Yeah, so they were aligned. So I would lock this. So what next am I to do here? Let me bring that lady up a bit. Alright. So the next thing here, let me put in. But before that, seems like the opacity of this shape. Let me increase it a bit. Let me leave it at 80. Alright, so the logo. So what I will do is I'll go to my gallery to import that logo. So I'll be using any of this. Let me use this one. Alright, so I'll bring the fire icon now. Import the fire icon. Alright. So this is what we have now. So I want to mesh these two. So I'll click here, I check the boxes, and I click on the mesh icon. So it has been meshed. So this is the logo. So I'll just minimize and place here. Let me increase a bit. Alright, so what's the name of that ministry? It's Jenny Ablis Network. Alright, so for Jenny Ablis, the font I'll be using for Jenny Ablis is this one, Montserrat Black. While the font I'll be using for network is Montserrat Medium. So I'll put this down and I minimize. Please, if there's anywhere I want to get your worries in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. So I'll put this at 10. That logo, I still need to increase the size of that logo. Alright. I think it's okay this way. Yeah, Jenny's Ablaze Network. Jenny Ablaze Network. Yeah, it's okay this way. Present. So I'll bring my ruler. Make sure the name of the ministry aligns with present. So now bring in present. The fonts I'll be using for present is autograph. Autograph personal. Yeah, this is the font I'll be using. So what I will do, I will just reduce the size and place here. Okay, so I'll bring in my ruler tool to make sure that it aligns to the left. Alright, so this is what I have here. Presents. So what is the program now? End of month gathering, right? End of month gathering. So end of month gathering. Which form will I be using for end of month? Montserrat Bowl, this one. Let me do further reduction. Let me leave it at 15. It's 15, okay, yeah. What again? Let's say for women and ladies. So which form will I be using for women and ladies? It will be Montserrat regular, this one. Oops, I need to change that font. Let me look for a different font. So I'll take Montserrat Medium. Let me try Montserrat Medium. Alright. End of month gathering should be more obvious. End of month gathering should be, so let me increase the size. It should be more obvious. Alright, let me leave it that way. Yeah. Okay, now let me put the theme. The making of a woman. Capitalize only the first letters. So which font will I be using? I'll be using this font. Marker Majora keyboard. Alright, so I want to do some bit of text effect on it. So I will come to my inner shadow, click OK. The blur radius I'll leave it to offset is -5. I'll say -5. Then I'll the color, I will reduce the opacity of the color. Something of this sort. Alright, so I'll come for the making. I'll do same. This is the color I'll take. -2, -5, -5. So that is what I have there. Now of a woman, the making of a woman. So I'll come back here. Before doing that, I'll go back to my gallery to import that shape I'll be using. So I'll crop out this shape. Which font will I use? Yeah, I'll use pixellab. Alright. So let me input the rising giants. Always make sure your texts are in alignment. Here we are giving it left alignment. So I'll copy this and I place down. Alright. So just put in rising giants. Which font will I use here? I'm sure I'll still take next sabo. Otherwise too bold. Let me take this and see. Alright. So I'll come now to text. What I will take here is this underscore, right? Underscore. I'll just take 2 of them. Copy and paste on the right. Alright. So what's left next? Let me put the date. So bring the shape. Now the color I'll be using is this background color. So I'll come to my color picker tool and pick this color. Pick this color. Alright. So it's too large. Let me reduce. So now I'll copy this. Change the color to red. Alright, so I'll copy this again. I go to my shape to edit and I take this triangular shape. I'll reduce the size to this. So now I'll give it a 90, is it 90 or 45? 90 degree rotation. Okay, so I have something like this, something of this sort. Yeah. So now let me just put in the date and the time. The the font type I'll be using there is Nexabo. So I'll just pause this and put in the details. Okay, I've put the date and the time. Let me do same for the venue. The venue, the text I'll be using there, the font type I'll be using there is Montserrat bold or Montserrat black. Yeah. Alright, so I have inserted the venue. The next thing is that information. Yeah, where you are seeing for more information there, the font type there is Montserrat medium. Why the phone numbers, the font type is Montserrat black. So I will put that in. Okay, so that is how it looks like. So gradually we'll get down. Yeah, so always make sure of this alignment, this left alignment. See the way mine is aligned, right? Yeah, you're respecting the graphic design principle of alignment. So I want to put in these shapes now. This is what I want to create, and I want you to pay keen attention. I want to show you how I made this. So first of all, I'll go to shapes. Yeah, I increase the radius to 30. Then at the opacity, I put it at 0. Come to stroke width, put the stroke width at 2. So just make sure you arrange well. This is okay. So you copy this and place here. And you bring in your roller to make sure they are well aligned. See, the other one is up, so you bring it down. Alright, shift it to the right a bit. Okay, so you mesh, don't mesh. You make sure that they are well centered. Alright, so what I will do here now is, let me close this first. Alright, I will come here and copy this hyphen, that underscore that we made. Yeah, I'll copy this. I change the color to black. And I place here. So I'll do same for the others. Okay, so this is what we have done. And looking at this, what is left, I have to fill in those boxes. So I'll just post now and bring in the social media icons. I will crop out Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Reduce and place here. If you want resources for this design, you can contact me. I'll make the resources available for you. So what her social media name is Jenny Ablis Network. Alright, so I'll be using this for you. For this one, Montserrat black. Change the color to black. Place here. Alright. Then I'll copy this. And I crop out the section for WhatsApp because it will be done on the WhatsApp form. And I place here. Alright, so I think that is all. We have come to the end of this design. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit on that subscribe button. Actually, I was to edit this flyer, but I have videos on how to do editing. You can just go back, watch them, and edit the design and show me. So at the description of this video is my contact. You can get to me to get the resources. Also, you can join our online WhatsApp forum where you have, other designers that will help to sharpen your skill. Also, have a course that you can learn on how to become a professional in smartphone graphics. Hit on that subscribe button, hit on the link in the description and purchase the course. Also, I'd like to tell you that Jesus loves you. See you in the next video.